Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can send your current GPS location via SMS on Android. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to send your current GPS location or your live location via SMS on Android so that you can share them with your friends offline. So what you want to do is, first of all, we want to make sure we have turned on location permissions on our phone. So go ahead and simply enable location on your phone first, because if you don't enable location, the application or the method we're going to do now will not be able to access your location. And in order to share our GPS location via SMS, we will simply take the help of the default Google Map application. Now, by default on your Android phone, you may already have this application. If you don't, you could head over to your App Store and simply download it. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and open the Maps application. As soon as you tap on Maps, you can see this is how it is going to look like. If you want to track our current location, we can simply tap on this GPS icon which you see on the right hand corner of the screen. If you want, first of all, let me go ahead and simply switch this Google Maps to a dark theme so that I can simply show you guys. So I'll go ahead and first of all switch to a darker theme. So as you can see, I have successfully switched to my Google Maps to a darker theme. Now what I will do is, in order to send this location via SMS on our phone to our friends and families, what we will do is, on the top right hand side, you can see your Google Map profile. All you have to do is simply tap on this Google Map profile which you see, and over here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You have to go ahead and tap on this option which says location sharing. So go ahead and simply tap on location sharing, and you can see it says stay connected. Tap on share location button which you see right over here, and make sure to allow access to your contacts. Now you have to understand that if you want to share it without a time limitation, for example, if you simply select until you turn this off, you will only be able to share them via social media apps on Viber and also on. If you want to share them via SMS, let's say for example, you have to go ahead and simply select until and unless for when. So you could go ahead and choose this time manually. You have 2 hours, 7, 10, 11, and until 1 day you can share your location with your friends. Once you've done that, over here you want to go ahead and locate the messages or the people to whom you might want to share this to. So go ahead and simply select any of the people to whom you might want to share this to. It could be any of the people over here. For example, you could simply tap on it and then tap on the share button and then tap on the send button which you see at the bottom of the screen, and you could go ahead and go to settings right over here, and I will allow the location access for settings as well. And I will come back, and you can see it will ask me to send in an SMS format. So you could basically go ahead and you can see we are on the SMS page, and you can see this link right over here. When we send this message, basically it is going to send to that person via that SMS. So let me just go ahead and show you again. If I come back and then I tap on the sharing via link, and you can copy this link. Basically, for example, you can come back to your messages tab and then go ahead and simply paste that link. Until 24 hours, that person will be able to view your location when they click this link, until and unless you also have GPS turned on, and that person also needs the internet connection first of all in order to view your location, and then he can follow that maps offline. And this is the way on how you can share your Google location or your GPS location via SMS. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.